Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to take the Python 6S out, the Team Corrali Python. I'm going to do one more run on 6S with the 26 tooth Pinion. We got 79 miles an hour last time. I want fresh battery, and we're going to go for that 80. I'm trying to hit the 80. If we don't do it here, if we do, either way, we're going to take it back and drop in the SpeedTek RC spool on the next one. So guys, make sure you stay tuned to that. So hit that subscribe button, the bell, that way you can be warned when it comes out, and you can check that video out too. So let's get this started. Turn this on. I'm gonna plug this in. It's on Python. Turn this bad boy on. Let's turn our GPS on. I'm gonna shut my alarm off. 3 p.m. GNSS here, 12 satellites. Start, stop, read, 0. Hope you guys can see that. Track, start. It's testing. It's reading. Let's go, guys. Let's come on. Come on, 80 miles an hour. Let's see what we can do. I'm parked on this road again just because a little shade over here. Not super hot today, but here comes our car, of course. Now, let's go. We're in front of them. Gotta wait for that gate coming out of the airport. It wasn't too bad, guys. Let's see. That felt like a full trigger all the way. Let's see what we got here. Come on, baby. Stop. Read. There it is. I knew if it was a full battery, it'd give me that extra mile per hour. All right, guys. I finally hit my 80 that I was hoping for with the stock spool. Now we're gonna put the speed spool in and see what we can get out of that and go from there. Okay, I think it's a 36 tooth that I have on there right now. That's what I bought. We'll try to put like a, I don't know, I think I have a 27 tooth or a 30 tooth. I might even try to buy a 34 tooth that'll fit in there. So we'll have to see what fits in there. So I appreciate it, guys. I'm only doing this run with it. I'm gonna throw this battery into my HPI Maverick and take that for a spin here, and then that'll be on the next video. So appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.